Whether you're married, living with a woman, or just seriously dating and looking to move things forward, you've got a ton at stake in the success of your relationship. Now, there are 3 building blocks to having a relationship that's fulfilling and fun and passionate. Now, obviously, the first one is your ability to communicate. But where most men and most couple therapists and experts all go wrong is trying to manage communication so that you fight less and hopefully you understand each other better. And that's great. But carefully managing the way that you communicate with your wife, it's damage control. And it's far from the ideal that we should shoot for as men. The second building block is your self-trust and your confidence and your preloaded beliefs around women and love and sex. And again, most men are in damage control mode in this area. Virtually every man of the thousands that I've worked with had a truck full of negative, mostly irrational beliefs around women and sex. So while it's crucial to work to find and unwire these negative beliefs that keep you from happiness, the shortcut that often solves many, if not most, of those negative thought patterns comes from building your masculine confidence and self-trust inside of your relationship. And finally, and most confusing for men is understanding what love is all about, how to grow it, and how to really enjoy the emotional aspects of the relationship. A lot of men fear this stuff, and again, they look at it as something they've got to manage. But getting good at it can fuel the stuff you want more of with your woman. Deep trust, fun and playfulness, sexual passion, and just plain physical affection. So here's the deal. I spent the last several months creating a free, scientifically designed love assessment quiz that'll help you to quickly and easily identify the one solution that's going to make the biggest difference for you and your relationship. It really can turn frustration into playfulness, affection, and sexual passion. It's a powerful tool. It's gotten incredible results for my private clients, and it could give you exactly the deep insight that you need to get a new and powerful result in your life too. Are you ready to discover the #1 love obstacle and start enjoying the love life that you've always wanted? Or are you just a little bit curious? Well, click here right now and take the free quiz for yourself and get a custom tailored prescription for quickly and easily getting control over your romantic destiny. It could be a profound game changer for your love life.